10 tips for creating a standout photography portfolio. A good portfolio can be the difference between getting hired and not. It's how brands choose whether to work with you. Shoot with purpose. The first thing that you need to do is to know your purpose in every shoot. If you always make sure you have a purpose when you shoot, then you'll have a better collection of images to draw your portfolio from in the first place. Decide on the type of photography you want to create and develop a style if you don't already have one. Take note. Knowing what kind of photography you want to be hired for will allow you to shoot with purpose. Ask yourself how this shoot will stand up alongside your portfolio, and if it won't fit, consider changing the shoot if you can. Hire a good team. If you're creating shoots particularly for your portfolio, why wouldn't you want to work with the best? Think of this as an investment in your future. Choose only the best. When you're choosing which images to put into your portfolio, make sure that you choose only the best. There's a saying, a portfolio is only as good as its weakest image. Take out those weak spots and make sure that you include only the very best images. 10 absolutely killer images will be far more effective than 50 that are just great. Take note, too many cooks spoil the broth, and too many images in a portfolio will drown out your best shots. Be brutal about your choices. Forget about your personal favorite stories or sets and look at the images with an objective view on quality. Make client-first selections. You can create a new portfolio for every client you pitch to. Isn't that a lot of work? I hear you ask. Yes, but it also shows that you understand their style and needs. 10 minutes of research into the company's past imagery will help you understand what to include. Presentation really matters, so make sure that your images are clean, presented without distraction, and big enough to admire no matter the format. Take note. Create a portfolio which is customized to every client in format, image choices, and presentation style. You will soon find your rate of success improving. Update, refresh, and review. Now that you have a finished portfolio, what next? Make sure that you review your portfolio on a regular basis. A portfolio is never really finished. Make sure that you review your portfolio on a regular basis, such as every month or so if you are shooting regularly, and every year even if you're a hobbyist. Take work thoughtfully. When taking new work, your first instinct may be towards whatever pays. But over time, you can be more selective with your projects. Start to work only on the photo shoots that will fit your work and style exactly, and that you would be pleased to include in your portfolio. Take note. A portfolio is never finished. It grows and develops with you as a photographer. You may even find yourself pivoting to a new style, and that's fine. Just make sure your portfolio reflects it. Conclusion. If you want an awesome portfolio, the way to do it is clear. Know the direction of work you want to go in. Hire a shoot team and photo retouching artist to make your initial portfolio work. Narrow down your selection to a handful of only your very best shots. Present your images in a unique gallery or printed selection for every client. Review your portfolio constantly and always keep it fresh and of high quality by shooting the right jobs. Learning assignment. Take a look at your existing portfolio or your body of work if you've never arranged it into a portfolio. Using the tips in this guide, create a new portfolio which you feel reflects your desired work style and holds only the very best images.